very upset and disheartened because I used to always say that the courts were a place of recourse. The courts were a place that you could go to get some sense or some semblance of reasoned explanation, decisions that had some bases that were grounded in law, right? That had some type of reason to them. And that it's been very hard as a woman, as a mother, as a human, um, to figure out how it's possible to have somebody regulate your uterus and your vagina, but not regulate a firearm.
Been hearing a lot of this rhetoric that the system is broken, the judicial system is broken. And I disagree with that sentiment in a sense, because I think for a system to be broken, it needs to be fully functioning to begin with. And I don't think that that was ever the case in any American institution, to be honest. I think that we are a society that was founded upon murder and racism and violence. And to be an educated American citizen, you have to acknowledge that history. I think we are an extremely hypocritical nation. We invade other nations on the pretense of morality and human rights, but in our own backyard, we are violating the 8th and 13th Amendment in prisons, and we are forcing 10-year-olds to carry a pregnancy to term when they are the victim of rape or incest. And we kill or injure over 100,000 Americans every year with guns. So I think I personally have always felt a sense of urgency and responsibility to advocate for everyone's equal rights. And that comes from a place of compassion and empathy. But I've shifted to a feeling of anger in the past couple of weeks when my own personal rights have been under attack and have been threatened. And it's not a sense of anger for myself, but it's a sense of anger for the fact that time is a finite resource and we don't have time to be fighting these old battles. We have so much progress that still needs to be made in terms of systemic racism, in terms of institutions like the education system, the criminal justice system, police reform, police brutality, things that I'm deeply committed to myself. And we've fought these battles already. And so I'm angry in the sense that it's now hindering the progress that I'm personally working towards. And I know people who are invested in civil rights and civil liberties are working towards, because we have so much more work to do.